Knee pain is very common that affects people of all ages. Knee pain may be due to injury such as ruptured ligaments or torn cartilages. Other medical conditions in which knee is affected includes arthritis, gout, and infections. So try these exercises to strengthen the muscles that support your knee and make them flexible. This is called seated knee extension. Sit up in a chair. Look straight. Extend one leg as high as possible without raising your buttocks off the chair. Hold for 10 seconds. Then lower to the starting position. Repeat on the opposite leg and hold for 10 seconds. It helps to strengthen the quadriceps. It also keeps added pressure off your knees. This is called knee squats. Hold a chair for the support. Stand with feet apart. Slowly bend the knees as if sitting back into a chair. Keep the back straight. Hold for 10 seconds. Return to the starting position and then repeat. It helps in strengthening hamstrings and quadriceps. This is called Quardicep Stretch. Use the chair for support. Feet slightly apart. Bend one knee so your foot goes up towards your glutes. Grab ankle and gently pull it towards your glutes. Hold for 10 seconds. Now return to the starting position. Now repeat on the opposite leg. It stretches your quadriceps and it also improves flexibility in hip flexors. This is straight leg raise. Lie down on the floor with one leg bent and one leg straight. Slowly raise your straight leg off the floor until it's at the same height as your bent knee. Hold for 10 seconds. Then lower to the starting position. Now repeat on the opposite leg. It strengthens your quadriceps as well as your hip flexors. This is static quads. Lie on the floor with your legs stretched out. Put a rolled up towel under one knee. Push down on the towel. By straightening your knees and your heel lift off the floor. Hold for 10 seconds and then relax. Hold, then relax.